Hi, my name is Marchetti Gold and this is my YouTube channel. Today I will show you day trading statistics in Forex. I will show the price of the cryptocurrency Litecoin and what is my profit. I will find Litecoin in the search engine to see the current price. As you can see, Litecoin currently costs $148. I invested $1,410 and bought 10 Litecoin units. Now my Litecoin profits are $69. For one-day trading I think this is a good result. I mean not to sell Litecoin yet, because I think its price will go up. Looking at the graphs, everything shows that the price will rise. It is a good time to invest in cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency is the currency of the future. Money needs to be invested because money has to make money. Investing money is interesting and Forex trading is a good way to make money.